Three conditions for when a function does not have a derivative. If a function is not continuous, it cannot be differentiable. Since every differentiable function must be continuous, however, if a function is continuous, it may still fail to be differentiable. F of x is equal to mod of x fail to differentiable at x is equal to 0 because the limit of the slope of a tangent line on the left and right were not same. We have already proved with the help of example. When we find the derivative of this function and when we execute limit, we get as x approaches to -0, the slope of the tangent line was negative, and when x approaches to +0, the slope of the tangent line was positive. With and for x less than 0, for x greater than 0, and because of this one, the function is not differentiable at x is equal to 0. So visually this resulted in a sharp corner on the graph of the function at x is equal to 0. We can see that this is the graph of this function, and this is the graph of this function, and x is equal to 0. We have a sharp corner, and this we have to conclude that in order to differentiable at a point, a function must be smooth at a point. Now we have a next condition for f of x is equal to cube root of x. Here this is not a square. A function is failed to differentiable at a point where there is a vertical line. We have also already proved this with the help of example. When a function have a tangent line with vertical slope with infinite slope, or a vertical tangent line, at that point the function is not differentiable, and at x is equal to 0 this function has a vertical tangent line with infinite slope. So at this point the function is not differentiable, and this is the second condition. And now we have a third condition, and this is the function. A function may fail to differentiable at a point more complicated as well. We have also proved this one with the help of example, and we also plot of graph of this function. When the function continuously changes slope of the secant line, this means the function is also not differentiable at that point. And this is the graph of this function, and we can see that the slope of the secant line continuously changes as x approaches to 0. So as we can see that as x approaches to 0, the slope of the secant line